Hi everyone, my name is Vikram Samak, and in this video we are going to learn something about Flask. It is a Python-based microwave framework which is used in web development. So in this video we are going to discuss upon these points. First we will see introduction, then features of Flask, then we will see how to set up a Flask, then we will see a short demo of Flask application, some Flask extensions, advantages of Flask, and at the last we will see the conclusion. So let's start with introduction. Flask is a Python-based web framework mainly used for developing web applications and RESTful APIs. It's ideal for small to medium-sized projects. Its simplicity, flexibility, and large community makes it popular choice among all Python developers. Now we will see some key features of Flask. First one is routing. Flask uses decorators to handle URLs and endpoints. Second one is templates. Flask uses Jinja 2 engine for dynamic content. Third one is HTTP method. Flask also supports GET, POST, HTTP methods. And fourth one is extension. Flask also has a lot of extensions for accessing database or creating forms. Now we will see how to install Flask on your computer. For that purpose, you have to open your command prompt and type pip install Flask and hit enter. Actually, I have installed on my computer. That's why I am not going to install here. After this we will see a short demo of Flask application. Now we will see a simple demo of Flask application. So first of all, I have imported a Flask module by using this statement. Then I have created an instance of Flask, which is app. On that app instance, I have used a route method, which consists a slash as the endpoint, and second parameter is method, which is get. It denotes the get HTTP request. Then I have created a simple function which returns hello Flask. For testing this application, we can use Postman extension. This application runs on this URL http 127.0.0.1:5000. So we can use this URL in Postman extension to check its response. For making get request, we can select here get and we can paste that URL here and click on send button. So here we can see that this application returns a hello Flask as a response. These are the some advantages of Flask microwave framework. It is lightweight and minimalistic. It is also easy to learn and use. It is also flexible and it is Python based. That's why we can also integrate some Python libraries like pandas, numpy in Flask application. At the end of this introductory video of Flask, we can conclude that Flask is a powerful, flexible, and lightweight Python web framework. It is simple and customizable and ideal for small-sized to medium-sized projects. Its rich ecosystem of extensions provides facility to enhance its functionality. It is also supported by vibrant community. It is a great choice for web development in Python. Thank you for watching this video. You can contact me on this email ID for any questions or doubts.